Morning children, welcome to today's digital class. Today in health and happiness we are going to read the lesson from the textbook and you will enjoy reading the lesson. Come children, let's read today's lesson Health is Happiness. Yes children, in page number 4 I am going to read the lesson Health is Happiness. I will read it children for you and I'll place the sketch pen and read. You need to concentrate and listen to the words what I speak. Let's start reading children. One day Manoj returned home sadly after school. My friend Ankita did not come to school today, Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. Why? Sharadi asked. She is not well, Manoj replied. Our health is important. We need 3 things to keep us healthy. Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. Eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep. Sharadi said. Eating well? What does it mean? Manoj asked. Food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, but not junk food. Sharadi explained. We get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. Playing is a very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. Don't worry about that. Whenever you get time, go out and play with friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. Now we read the lesson now children. To understand it better, I have drawn these drawings for you all to better understand. This is Manoj and this is Sharadi. Who is Sharadi? Sharadi is Manoj's sister. Manoj is over here and Sharadi is over here. So Sharadi is Manoj's sister and this is Ankita. Ankita is Manoj's friend. You all understood now? Manoj, Sharadi, Ankita. One day, Manoj returned home sadly, children. Okay, he came back from school sadly. Why? Because his friend Ankita did not come to school, it seems. Why she did not come to school, we don't know still now. Okay, this he told to his sister Sharadi. So Manoj told Ankita did not come to school to Sharadi. Then Sharadi will ask, why she did not come to school? Then Manoj will say, because Ankita is not well. Then Sharadi will say, oh, she is not well. Okay, our health is important. Okay, we need 3 things to keep us healthy. Then Sharadi will start explaining to Manoj. What are those 3 things to be healthy? First thing, we need to eat well. So eating well makes us to be healthy. Then the second one, exercising. We need to do exercise. Okay, like playing outside or doing yoga, all this comes under exercise children. Okay, and the third thing, we need to have enough sleep. When we sleep nicely to about 8 hours, then we will be healthy in the morning. We feel so fresh and the entire day we will be active. So these are the 3 things we need to follow in our life to be healthy. Eating well, what does it mean? Manoj is asking to Sharadi, what eating well you are saying to be healthy? Then Sharadi will say, yes, food plays a major part in our health. We need to eat healthy food. Healthy foods are fruits, vegetables, all these things. Okay, we need to eat healthy foods and not the junk food which we will eat, like chips, all those things, right? Yes, we should not eat all those things. When we eat healthy food, we will be active and healthy. All this is explained by Sharadi to Manoj. Then we get sleep at home. But where can we get exercise? Manoj is asking Sharadi. Where we will get exercise, sister? He is questioning to Sharadi. Then Sharadi is replying, playing is a very good form of exercising. And even you can do yoga also. Okay, you can do early in the morning yoga we can do, and in the evening we can go out for playing. By doing all this activity, we feel healthy and active. Okay, now Manoj, go out and play for some time. What Sharadi is doing, she is pushing Manoj to go outside and play. So that's all about this lesson, children. You all understood, right? Okay, I hope you all understood it better through this pictures. Now, again and again, when you keep listening to this video, you will understand the lesson far better. And even you can keep your reader in front of you and you can read along with me. Okay, children? Okay, children. Hope so you have understood the lesson better. Even you can draw pictures and start reading along with me in the reader. Thank you. Happy learning.